Question number 1. What is the largest animal currently on Earth? A. Orca. B. Colossal squid. C. Giraffe. D. Blue whale. The answer is D. Blue whale. Question number 2. Which element has the chemical symbol of Fe? A. Silver. B. Iron. C. Tin. D. Gold. The answer is B. Iron. Question number 3. This element, when overcome with extreme heat and pressure, creates diamonds. A. Oxygen. B. Carbon. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. The answer is B. Carbon. Question number 4. What is the first element on the periodic table? A. Helium. B. Lithium. C. Hydrogen. D. Oxygen. The answer is C. Hydrogen. Question number 5. What was the first living creature in space? A. Mouse. B. Dog. C. Fruit flies. D. Monkey. The answer is C. Fruit flies. Question number 6. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Mitochondria. B. Nucleus. C. Red Bull. D. Ribosome. The answer is A. Mitochondria. Question number 7. What is the standard SI unit for temperature? A. Kelvin. B. Fahrenheit. C. Rankine. D. Celsius. The answer is A. Kelvin. Question number 8. Who developed the first successful polio vaccine in the 1950s? A. Jonas Salk. B. Thomas Weller. C. John F. Enders. D. Frederick Robbins. The answer is A. Jonas Salk. Question number 9. Who is the chemical element curium named after? A. The Curiosity rover. B. Stephen Curry. C. Curious George. D. Marie and Pierre Curie. The answer is D. Marie and Pierre Curie. Question number 10. The human heart has how many chambers? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 6. The answer is C. 4.